Hi guys, I'm Jones Castro here. Hidden brain source behind dementia found. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights on defense, war, jets, missiles, submarines, and geopolitics. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Scientists have discovered a previously hidden source in the brain that may play a critical role in the development of progression of dementia, offering new hope for treatment and early prevention. The breakthrough centers around a small group of hyperactive immune cells found deep within brain tissues, which appears to trigger inflation and accelerate the death of neurons, a key process behind memory loss and cognitive decline. According to researchers, these overactive cells release harmful proteins and chemicals that damage brain connections over time, even before classic dementia symptoms emerge. By targeting these specific immune responses, scientists believe future drugs could slow down or even halt the onset of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. This finding represents a major shift in understanding the disease, moving focus away from just amyloid plaques and tau tangles, long considered the main culprits, to the brain's immune system imbalance. Early trials are already exploring therapies that can calm or reprogram these cells to restore normal brain functions. Experts say the discovery could transform how dementia is diagnosed, treated, and possibly prevented, giving millions of patients and families renewed hope for the future. Source: Nature Neuroscience, The Guardian.